Cinderella boss.
All right, bitch. This bitch said
Wow.
all right now. Oh, my stomach.
Sylvia.
I can't stand
Boy.
That's so funny.
Jesus.
No, don't talk to me for the rest of the day.
Okay. I'm done. I'm done. I can't. I can't. I can't. Every goddamn time.
Where can they see you at?
No,
Juice?
y'all gotta come do this.
Where can they see you?
Lifetime at 10 o'clock. Why be forgetting Eastern? That's
Come on, hey.
Lifetime.
This your boy Ricky
Smile.
Smile. Let me tell y'all something. We gonna watch this show. This is my favorite TV show now. It used to be First 48, but now the Little Women of Atlanta, Juicy and Minnie on this show. Y'all need to watch it. I need all of my Facebook friends leaving comments. I swear, y'all are the best people in the United States. I just love y'all so much. I will be watching this show. I'm proud. We're gonna blow this thing up. This is gonna be the #1 rated show. Juice, come on now. #1. Let's give him #1. #1, baby. #1. Number uno. Yeah.
That's my Beyonce look.
Yeah.
Beyonce
Little Women of Atlanta. Little Women of Atlanta. Boo boo. Blue. Blue.
Perfect.